Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can delete a song from your Spotify playlist. For instance, you've accidentally added a song that doesn't really correlate with your Spotify playlist. So to delete the song from the playlist, I'm just going to go to your library and I'm just going to go to the playlist that has a song I want to delete. So I'm just going to select on the songs and then press the three dots next to the song that I want to remove and just press remove from this playlist. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!